guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to play Adopt Me. Of course, as you guys saw in title, we're going to see how to dress up like anything. Okay, so if you're Adopt Me beginner, this video will be very useful for you guys, I assure that. So let's go into the video. So now let's play, and you could be a parent or a baby, that's completely your choice. But a plus point if you are a baby is you would get tasks and for you and your pet, so that you could earn double the money you want. Okay, so I'm going to be the parent because I'm just going to tell you guys how to do it. And yeah, so let's just go to this wall so that it's going to be pretty plain. Okay, what's wrong? Yeah, that's nice. Now we're going to go to dress up. So let me just show you where is the dress. We have an arrow mark, something like this, right? If you press that, you will have 4 options like family, shop, friends, and dress up. So the last one, you have to click the last one. You could change your name into whatever you want. So I just kept my favorite K-pop group. Okay, so and then I am going to change my, let's just go to, I just don't, oh my god, what is that? Okay, let's go to the very normal, the Roblox avatar. Now I'm just going to start, like a lot of people have that bun on their top, right? So it's something like that. Now you could change your eyes, you could put anything free. If you have Robux, you can use all these different eye emotions or whatever. I am going for this one. This, I don't know why this looks so elegant, cute and pretty, I just don't know. And we have some wings here. The wings are pretty pricey, as you guys can see, and 200 bucks. That is not bad, but I'm not just going to buy it. And this is like, you get a lot of kind of sprinkly stuff when you're walking. That is pretty cool. You could buy it if you want to. It's not that pricey, right? It's like about, it starts from 50 bucks and goes to 40,000 bucks, but that is not going to be my one. Alright, so this is going to be a lot of shirts if you want to. So this is a very cute one. I really like this one so much. So we have some skirts. That is shirt and this is skirt. You could add skirts if you want. And this is like the normal pant. I just want to take this off and I'm going to put the shorts probably. This looks adorable, doesn't it? And if you want like a total suit also, that is okay. But I mean, let me take this top. Yeah, this is also pretty cute. When we do our hair, it would be pretty good. But this is like my favorite one of all. I just don't know why. This is more comfortable, more real looking, and more to the very beautiful, cute and pretty side, I guess so. And now I'm going to the hair side. This is going to be like the main thing. This decides the look how you want it to be. So you could put this is a very cute one. This is the one that I actually put, and there are a lot more options that you can choose, you guys. That is very cool. Yeah, just look at that, just look at that. Oh, how cute. I just don't know why this also looks so cute. Maybe we have to keep on changing my outfits, not only keeping the same thing. I understand that, but I will change it soon. For now, we'll stick on with what I have. This is also a really cute one. Yeah, oh, how cute. But I have to change the dress for that. So yeah, for this, every hairstyle is completely free. You could just put whatever you want. Now I'm really going for the classic one, so this is a pretty good one, I guess so. And then we have even some hats. You could put some hats if you want to, right? So how cute is this? Oh, this is so nice. I'm going to go with this. Oh, it's so nice. Yeah, so there are a lot of things. You could go with something like this and something like this. Oh, this is also good. I can't believe this. This is absolutely cute. Okay, so you could go with any of them you want, and this is like my favorite, but it's okay. It's a kind of, my hair is hiding it, right? I know. And yeah, there are a lot more options that you can try. Anything you want, everything is pretty much free. And then see how cute those are. I mean, wow. If you don't want to buy wings, you could come to these and even take these. I mean, wow, my hair is so thick, I think so, because everything is just hiding. My hair is hiding it. Have you seen this hat in Fashion Famous? I have. I really love that hat, I know. Okay, now let's that is the hat section, and here we have some more accessories, or to make it full, make the outfit full, I mean. Okay, so there we go. There I have a rainbow tail, and this is like the dustbin or the cardboard box. People would have this. I'd be like, how is that even possible? That is so cool, right? So, and this is also a very cute dress. You could buy it if you, I mean, you could just touch it if you want to. And see this box, and everything is free. That is so amazing. So now we are going to go to this, and let's see. We have scarf, we have a lot of kind of rocky things and kind of cute things, and this cute necklace. Oh, and a lot of cute stuff. I really love all this, but I would like this so much. This is so cute, alright. So yeah, I should buy more, right? Okay, that's like a scarf. Alright, that is cute. Okay, that's like for the hoodie thing, right? Yeah, there are a lot of stuffs that you can select, and that's gonna be yours. And you like for a pet on your shoulder or something like that. I think a bee is the cutest thing in this, in my opinion. But every single thing is cute. I can't believe this. This is so adorable, right? And next, what we have is we have some cool glasses. This looks like I'm gonna go for some work or somewhere, but yeah, that is so cool. There are some glasses, some a mask, and oh, how cute! That is adorable. Alright, now there are like sling bags and it's like cute water bottle, and a lot of cute stuff. Yep. So, and then I have like a total rock star. I mean, total some princess or some kind of cartoon outfit. You could go for this. Yeah. So this is so good. If you want this, like, look at me right now. That is so cool. Look at this. Wow, that is so cool. This is like the Elsa outfit. This is like some trick, I think. Yeah, there is some trick with this, but some TikTok trick. Well, yeah, I think this would also be good. Oh, that is cute, but I'm never going to lose my outfit power, right? So, and then it's like your skin tone. You could go with this, you could go with this, you could go with even like pink color or whatever skin tone you think. I'm just going for the normal, like the neutral one. And now this is like the stylish, like how we are going to jump, or see, let me show you. If we're going something like cartoony, look at the jump, and look at how I'm walking. So it's like how you're going to be walking and how you jump or something like that. Now let's see what is ninja. So that's going to be very interesting, right? I'm definitely going to change it this side. So I want to be like ninja. So oh, look at the position, girl. Oh, that is so cool. All right, and then I'm just going to go to my normal stylish one, and then yeah, we have the face shape. I have gone with a very normal face shape that everybody has, like kind of a normal one. Yeah, we have even like the smallest face in the whole world. Yeah, so there are a lot of cool stuff here too. So that's how you change your outfit or change into whatever you want. So how are the lights, by the way? I just set that up from my table. Yeah, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you had this video helpful. If so, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and comment down below what video on the next. Bye.